Singh, now, if I may bother you with my next question, um, I'm not going to get you into limitation because I believe it's a sub judice matter and we should not question you on it. But I would like to have your mind on, as we conclude today's discussion, my last question to each of you. My question to you, Justice Singh, is what do you think, if you were to decide what were the measures which can be introduced to make IBC more effective? What are your thoughts?
Today itself, I've just got a newspaper bin this weekend business standard. There is a report on IBC on page 6. It says IBC activity is subdued and liquidation is on rise because there is a moratorium for cases under 7 and 9 and 10 also, and 9 only. That's why more and more cases and the sentiment of the markets. So even we experience are showing in some of the cases we have, I was party and we have decided it, where the resolution plan was successful. It was approved by the adjudicating authority, but the appellate said the person who was a successful resolution applicant, he wants to withdraw from it. So now we have to say you can't withdraw because this general market sentiment is like that. In this, under liquidation will rise. In this, they have also reported that Dr. Sahu have come with they are giving some suggestions. And one of the suggestions for faster disclosure is pre-packaged scheme for resolution. There was a report on that. So I would like to ask Dr. Sahu, what is this? Further elaborate on that, because there was some report in Business Standard about this pre-packaged resolution of disputes, whether it is for some threshold of amount of certain companies where they will be absent. So before going to NCLT, they can go for settlement through pre-packaged this resolution plan through mediation and other things, or what is, please elaborate some more, because that will be one of the, this is a very wonderful suggestions. If accepted now, this will also reduce our burden. And the second is basically this IBC code was meant to protect and see to it that the money of the financial institution, either private or public, is realized and is been given back to them. So a resolution was on one of the main area, but at the threshold was only 1 lakh, I said, and this forum proved very successful. So we are flooded with 70% cases are only where we are working as a recovery agent. That is also, so some check has to be, and there this pre-packaged things may I think. So please, Dr. Shah, if you have some time, can you elaborate on this pre-packaged settlement?
Yes, Dr. Sahu, could you please enlighten
In
us?
the context of MSc, I have seen your report.
Yes. Dr. Sahu, pre-packaged settlement, yes, we'd like to do, as well as on group insolvency. That was anyway my question to you. Group insolvency is also, I think, very relevant.
One of the group agency we are dealing with now, that is Videocon matter, so we can't say.
Yes.
A lot of resistance were there and coming up to Supreme Court, and we are waiting for the outcome of that.
Supreme
That
Court, yes.
is a group insolvency.